are searching for ideal forex broker company, this video especially for you, as last few months I was in a deep search for some kind of best forex broker company. What I'm trying to say by using the words best forex broker, this is the broker which matching all my criteria in one place and giving us feelings of the best user experience. So I'm in trading for more than 13 years. I was working inside of the forex brokers for a long period of time. Then I'm doing trading by myself, algo trading. I'm using MKL5 signals section. Plus I have lots of the different clients from all around the world. Also I'm dealing with Ukrainian clients, and personally I'm from Ukraine. And this question to find the best forex broker company is actual every time, and my criteria is very simple, but frankly speaking very difficult to find the company that matching all of them. So the first of all, I want us to have a feelings that money in the safe place. So this broker is supposed to have at least one top tier regulation. Another point, this is like easy of use of the platform, website, app, because some of the brokers, even like highly regulated with long history, creating for us troubles with opening account, with the verification, everything taking time. So this broker is supposed to be like highly technology, not just if we're talking about trading part as the copy trading connection to the trading view. By the way, it's also very important, but also in the way how they are dealing with the client, so it's easy to open an account, easy to navigate the website, the app, everything is very user friendly. The next point, this is the trading condition. Also, this is the issue. We have lots of the highly regulated forex broker companies that provide for us safety, but conditions, frankly speaking, there is not so good. And I don't want just to have good trading conditions, I want the best. And the best trading conditions, it's not just about chasing the lowest spread. It's supposed to be clear, no playing with this kind of hidden commissions. And the good trading condition, this is the combinations between like different and lots of the different instruments from different asset classes what broker company giving us chance to trade with. Plus there is like a good swaps, commissions, different type of the account, spread, and combination of them creating for us this kind of good trading conditions. Another part, this is easy access to the capital. For me, it's very important to understand that anytime when I will click the withdraw button, I will get my money as fast as it's possible. It's not just easy to deposit, but also very important to have this option easy to withdraw. As I had very bad experience, one big brand with the good trading condition. I was doing withdrawal by the USDT and I was waiting for 1 week, and this is unacceptable, in 2025 especially. Another point that I know maybe I'm a bit classical guy, as nowadays all forex broker companies, they trying to do all the services that you are avoiding any kind of conversation with support or with some like a manager that working inside the company. But as I'm still more classical guy, I prefer to know the people from the company. And the most important for me is like when we're talking about support, that there is no ideal forex broker company and there is no forex broker without any kind of problems. The most important, how quickly they will be able to resolve these kind of things. So for me, very important to someone in person from the broker. And last point, I'm also dealing as an affiliate, as an IB, and I have been contacted by so many people. They want to start this kind of journey, so I want to deal with the broker that I will be able not just to get the best deal for myself, but I will also be able to help the people when they just starting. So guys, after long research, I think I found really the best one. But before I will tell you the company, let me show you some quick trading condition comparison. When I was visiting Forex Expo in Dubai, I was already recording the video about searching the best Forex broker companies, especially for Ukrainian clients. As nowadays there are some limitations in the Forex brokers, they're not allowing for Ukrainian clients to open an account, so I have a hard time to find for the really good one. So of course, in the beginning I'm checking the regulation, because this is the very important criteria for me in choosing the Forex broker company. Then I'm checking if they are really dealing with the Ukrainians. Then I'm trying to check their trading conditions, and there I found something really special. So the first of all, in front of you, you can see the 5 forex broker companies. I choose like a CPT market. They're in Dubai, regulated in FCA, in ESCA, in the South Africa. Then I choose the company Go Markets, really old, like Australian forex broker company from 2006. IC Market, I think IC Markets no need like presentation from my side. Then Star Trader. Star Trader, by the way, this is the same as the Vantage Group. They are regulated in Australia. They are Prime Direction regulated in FCA. They have also local one in ESCA. Star Trader, this is the same as Vantage. Even they have the same group of the accounts, the same like client portals. Just what is the difference? That Vantage not accepting Ukrainian clients, but Star Trader working, so that's why for my comparison I choose them. Another forex broker company, XM. Why XM? Because lots of the people asking about them. I really think that this company, like even also highly regulated, none of these companies is like a scam. All of them is the good companies in terms of safety of the funds, but XM has very bad trading conditions. Lots of the people choosing them, especially because of affiliation and high IB payouts, but even there they are not getting money as they expected because they're not reading terms and conditions. But this is the topic for separate video. I don't want to start talking about that right now, but let's go to my comparison between these 5 forex brokers. So the first of all, what I'm paying attention all, this is the number of the accounts between the different asset classes, because one of my friends from the industry long time ago told me, if you want the simplest way, if you want to check if the forex company is good, just check how many instruments do they have in their platform. Because broker company, if they have a lot of the instruments, they are paying lots of the money, they investing in technology, and it means this company is good. So when we're talking about like CPT markets, to be honest, this is like very bad, because it's especially in 2025, because they have just 58 instruments. If we are talking about Go Markets, Go Market has 1851 instruments. The number one place we can say in terms of number of the instruments, it's coming to the IC Markets, because they have 1996 instruments from different asset classes. But even here I prefer more Go Markets, because they have, especially in currencies and cryptocurrencies, a little bit wider variety of the trading instrument. The third place, going to the Star Trader, they have 940 instruments, and XM has like 1500, but still like they have lots of the instruments in the stocks. In another one a little bit less. This is what majority of the people doing. You are opening your trading terminal, checking, okay, like spread like this much, and this is it, if it's fine or no. But here is some tricky points. So just in the simple way I will explain it to you. I choose all the instruments that exactly the same in all brokers. Then as you can see here, this kind of comparison you can understand by the colors. So if it's green, it means they have the lowest spreads. If it's light green, a little bit higher, yellow in the middle, orange like close to the higher end, and red, this is bad spread. So for example, if we're talking about XM, it's already like the loser of our comparison. Almost everywhere it has like the worst spread. In general, if we'll compare, for me personally, like a CPT, Go Markets and IC Markets, like almost the same. Go Market, some of the crosses instrument is way better. Even some of them, if we will compare, they almost have the same. For example, like a Eurodollar, you see in 3 of these forex broker companies they have $8. If we're talking about gold, this is very important, because nowadays people love to trade gold, especially here in Dubai. People opening account in forex broker companies just to trade gold. As you can see, at the first place we have a CPT with $12, then Go Market 13, IC Market 17, and Star Trader 18. But then what I did some kind of recording of the spread that I was doing long time ago for one forex broker company when I was comparing liquidity providers. So I have a special tool that I'm installing into the trading account, and it's recording for me spreads for a long period of time. How it's working? So as candle, every candle has 4 like prices: open, high, low, close. So it's in the same way, it's calculating all changes of the spread during every 1 minute from this candle. Every time it's taking the highest price of the spread, and then creating like a moving average. So for example, we took every high price of 1 minute candle that was created not by price, by the spreads. We took the highest price and built the moving average, like average price, through the last like 2 weeks, and here I saw something very impressive. So for example, when we are going for comparison with the spreads, I was trying to show you the worst spread, because sometimes broker manipulating that, so execution will be different in comparison of what they are showing. So let's check for the euro dollar, for example. As you remember, I said that the euro dollar in 3 brokers almost is the same, but when we're going to recorded spreads, you see here real spreads that you will trade with, that you will execute position with. IC markets almost $11.19, Go Market $13, CPT $17. So it's almost twice from what they are showing in their trading terminal. Star Trader 16. So even Star Trader or Advantage has like a better spreads, but they are showing less in comparison with the CPT. First place here is IC Markets. By the way, if you want to get this Excel file, just send me message in my Telegram. I will share it with you, because I want you to check everything by yourself, because I think you will open for you something very interesting. But let's talk about gold, because people, they are very sensitive about gold. And as you can see, in the first place we had the CPT, then Go Markets and the IC Markets. What I want to tell you about gold, because lots of the times people messaging me and asking just about gold. Look at here, you see. So IC Markets real spread for the gold $30. If you will check in this line, you can see how many times they was doing this widening of the spread. So they are not good for the trading gold at all. By the way, in this comparison, I took just standard accounts, because like lots of the brokers has different calculation with the commissions. Go Markets here like the best, $13. So they are trying to keep the same what they are promising in the market watch. CPT was the lowest with the $12, and they have even higher, like a $20 in comparison with the Star Trader, because Star Trader was claiming $18, so execution almost in the same level. And of course, we cannot talk about XM, because XM here showing $56. So this is, by the way, guys, exactly how I'm checking trading conditions. And let's go right now to my conclusion and the final recommendation. So guys, I don't want to speak a lot about my recommended Forex broker company, but after all my checking and research, I found out that for me, Go Markets, this is the best recommended Forex broker company in 2025 and in following years. And it's very simple. First of all, regulation. They have almost all the regulation. Check. 2. Easy of use their website, and they are upgrading their platforms right now, so it will be even better. Number 3, they have all type of technologies. Copy trading, they connected direct to the trading view. They have a C trader and different kind of things. So their product, like a trading product from where we are making money, it's almost is the best, especially if we're talking about trading conditions. They have really the best trading condition, what I find out right now, and in both accounts, because we have a standard account and we have an ECN account. So both of them trading conditions is really good. It's very easy to do deposit and withdraw, plus they are using like a USDT, and for me this is like very important things. And in general, I'm feeling comfortable with this Forex broker company, because they are working in the market from 2006, and during this period of time they really prove that they are a powerful company. So this is my choice, guys. If you want to try this Forex broker company, link it will be in the description to this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and write in the comment section what is your broker of choice. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in our next one.